In this video, I'm going to show you an unboxing of the Solo Stove Bonfire and also give you a review and a couple of clips of the first fire we had in our backyard in the bonfire. In the box, we'll find the bonfire fire ring, which controls the airflow at the top of the bonfire. This is the bonfire shield, which prevents embers from jumping out of the fire. This is the bonfire shelter, which protects the bonfire when it's not in use and it's standing out. You don't want any rain to get in there and rust it. And this is a black canvas bag where you can store everything at the end of the day. This is the stainless steel stand, which raises up the bonfire and prevents it from burning your grass or your deck. And this is the main Solo Stove Bonfire. So the shield comes with these two tools which allow you to place and remove the shield on and off of the bonfire. The toolkit comes with these tools, a clamp which allows you to place logs into the fire, and then a poker which allows you to poke the fire and keep it going. The toolkit also came with 4 devices which allow you to cook s'mores or hot dogs over the fire. This is what the shelter looks like on top of the Solo Stove Bonfire. It was easy to use. Like I said, you don't want any rain to get in there because it can create a lot of rust. Let's take a look at what the bonfire looks like on the inside. There are all of these holes that allow air to vent in and around the fire to feed it with a lot of oxygen, to burn it more efficiently and cleanly with less smoke. When you're done using the bonfire, you can store everything upside down, put everything in the bonfire, store the fire ring and the fire shield upside down, and put it in the black canvas bag to just store it in your garage. So tonight we were really excited. We were gonna camp tonight and have a little bonfire with s'mores. So I set up an upside down fire in the fireplace with logs and kindling, and I covered it until we were ready to light it later in the evening. So these clips are the first hour of the fire, every 10 to 15 minutes or so. So you'll see how the fire develops. We were ready for a night of camping, a night of ukuleles, s'mores, and just a lot of family time without any, digital devices. So it's a lot of fun. I would have to say that this fire was really easy to use, really pleasant. The venting mechanism in the Solo Stove allowed it to burn more efficiently and smokeless, or with a lot less smoke, I should say. And when the heat really got going, you could see the air really venting through those holes. It was almost as if the fire was coming out of the holes in the first hour. So this was a lot of fun. There's also a lot of heat. There's almost like a cone of heat that comes out of the Solo Stove and radiates out and keeps people warm. There's not a lot of heat on the grass below it or right at your feet, but we were very pleased with this. The next day it was very easy to clean. It burned so efficiently there was just a thin layer of ash in the bottom of the Solo Stove, and I just had to make sure that it was clean and cold, and then I just had to dump the ash into our compost pile. I did notice that some of the stainless steel of the Solo Stove was no longer as shiny as it was when it was brand new, but that's, I guess that's what happens when it's super hot. So here's what the Solo Stove looked like the next day. Just a little bit of ash, very easy to clean. You just dump it in your compost pile. And there's the color of the stainless steel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other how-to videos on my channel. Thanks.